Okay. If Al invests $800 in a saving account earning interest at a rate of 6% compounded semi-annually, how long will it take for that $800 to grow to $2,400? And here is the formula. So let's identify what is A and what is P is in this case. So let's see. Jerry, you want to tell me what A is equal to in this case? Yes, the amount of the money that is supposed to be grow to would be 2,400. All right, Sir Jenna, can you tell me what is P is equal to? The principal. Oh, yeah, it's 800. Okay. What is the rate? What is R? Jerry, what's R? The rate is given to us as 6%. Very good. So let's write that in terms of decimal. Would be divided by 100 would be 0.06. All right, Sir Jenna, what is N? What is N is equal to? If it's compounded, if it were compounded annually, that would be 1, right? Semi-annually means how many times this is going to be applied. So what is N, do you think, would be? If it's compounded semi-annually, N would be equal to what? Okay, that's absolutely correct. That's 2. And sorry for the interruption there. I just got a call. So this N would be equal to 2. Absolutely correct. So we got all the numbers we need to substitute here and solve. Let's take a look. We have 2,400 is equal to 800 times 1 plus, now R is 0.06, divided by N is equal to 2. And then here we have 2, and the time is the one that we don't know, so we call this T. Okay, we just have to solve for T here. Okay, let me see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow up to this point. Just identify each term and substitute the numbers. Great. Well, we can divide both sides of the equation by 800. Let's do that. So here on the left-hand side, I would get 2,400 divided by 800. That would be equal to 3. And on the right-hand side, I would get 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 to the power of 2t. So let's go ahead and evaluate what we have inside the parentheses. You can use your calculator. What is 1 plus 0.06 over 2? Okay, let me give you a minute to use your calculator and tell me what that number is. We can calculate first. 1 plus 0.06 over 2. Okay, we have 1 point, very good, 1.03, that's absolutely correct. So in order to solve for t, we can take a log of both sides. So the left hand side would be log of 3, and the right hand side would be log of 1.03 to the power of 2t. What of the property that we learned? When we have log of a n, that is the same as n log of a. Remember that? So let's box this. And that's what we can do. We can move this 2t right in front of this. This would be log of 3 is equal to 2t log of 1.03. So I can divide both sides of the equation here by 2 log of 1.03 to isolate t. So there we have it. The time then would be equal to log of 3 over 2 log of 1.03 which is equal to, just use your calculator, would be like 18.58. So it's about 18.6 years.